Hi, this is Michelle. Welcome to my channel. First, I would like to thank everyone who has liked my videos, who has watched my videos, who has left me comments, left me feedback. It is appreciated. Thank you very much. And of course, everyone who has subscribed. Thank you so much. Today, I am going to do an unboxing of a bag that I purchased from Dooney and Bourke during their 12 days of Dooney sale. So let's get to it. I did open the box, but I did not look at the box. I didn't take it out yet, so you're seeing the bag for the first time just like I am. And this is the first time that I've ever ordered from Dooney and Bourke. I've ordered from I Love Dooney, and then of course I've purchased most of my bags from QVC, but this is the first order through Dooney and Bourke. And here it is. Put my scissors away. And as you can see, it's a pretty small bag, but I like small bags. And this is the Tassel shoulder bag in the color strawberry. Oh, wow. Okay. Now that shoulder strap is kind of short. Now, of course, it's supposed to go down like this, so that gives you a lot more room. But like I said, this is a smaller bag. It's in the color strawberry. It's done in their Pebble leather. And this is what I wanted because I have a similar bag to this. I have the mini Florentine Satchel. But of course it's Florentine, so, you know, you have to be careful when you take it out in the rain, snow, or, you know, any inclement weather. Whereas this, I can actually carry this no matter what the weather is. And even though it's strawberry and it looks like it's coming off red on the camera, but it's really strawberry, I love the pop of color. I think this is really, really nice. Really nice. It is small. And let's see. It's small. You do have the shoulder room, or I do have the shoulder room. But let's get inside the bag. The opening is small. Of course, it comes with the dust cover. And this is the bag I'm going to keep. I only paid $129 for it, which I thought was a pretty good price for a Pebble leather bag. And like I said, this is my first purchase from Dooney and Bourke. Now, it does come with the interior of the lining. And let me just get up and show you. The interior of the lining, which I hope you can see, is red, and of course it's lined in the strawberry color. And you have one large slip pocket on the front wall, and that should fit my cell phone. And then on the other wall is the zipper pocket, and then a small slip pocket underneath that is not large enough to fit my cell phone. But it goes down like this. And this is how it carries. Now again, this is Pebble leather, so it will soften. And let me just turn this down. it so that you can see how, oh, this doesn't want to loosen up. Sorry. I'm probably going to jerk it down too much. Like I said, probably take it down too much. Actually, right here is good. Or I could just sit down. There we go. There we go. Let it refocus. Okay. So it isn't too bad. And you can adjust the straps. Yep, you sure can. Right here. So I would definitely make this longer. It looks like it's on the middle strap. And I don't like these. These are really hard. These buttonholes, these are really hard to adjust. So hopefully I can get it loose so that I can adjust the strap just to give me just a little bit more room. But it is a cute bag. It is a cute bag. This is the front. This is the side with the tassels. Comes with 2 tassels. And then it's made a lot like the Florentine Satchel. This is the back. The only difference is there's no belting. And this is the bottom. Has 4 feet. Now let me show you what fits in the bag. Sorry. Good. This is perfect. So I can put it on my leg and actually show you. So I did purchase some new small leather goods just for this reason, so that I can demonstrate the capacity of a smaller bag. This is the Michael Kors pouch, 3-piece pouch set that I purchased. I did a video on this. It's a 3-piece set. Like I said, this is the small, this is the medium, and this is the large. Now, of course, the large is not going to fit in this bag. This large piece is just about as wide and as large as the bag itself. So I know that's not going to fit in this bag, especially with this opening. So this is the small pouch, and that easily goes in. This is the, let me do that again. This is the small pouch, and that easily goes in. And then here is the medium-sized pouch, and again, a little maneuvering that you, oh, wait a minute, let me see. Let me see, uh-oh. Yeah, I can get it in, but you have to maneuver this around to get it in that opening. But here it is. Hopefully you can see that. And then this is my wallet. Same Michael Kors piece. And that will fit in. And really that's all I carry. Just these 3 pieces. And I'll come closer so that you can see how those pieces are going in there. And you still have plenty of room to get items on top. I believe you still have a little bit of room to get items on the side. But like I said, this is a small bag, and they're not so high that it keeps the bag from folding down the way that it should and getting on your shoulder. So that is my unboxing of my Dooney and Bourke Tassel shoulder bag in the color strawberry. Really, really nice. I'm really happy with it. Really nice, and I love the price that I paid for it. Not bad. So, if you have any questions regarding the bag, or if you want to make any comments, feel free to leave them at the bottom of the page. And of course, I will always respond. And I thank you so much for watching. Bye.